Teddy this time, but you knew that from the thumbnail, didn't you? That little picture gave it away. I love Teddy. He's one of my absolute favourites, and he's a lovely friend to Bob. Hi, Bob. And he's just a wonderful guy, isn't he? He's a construction worker, carpenter, plumber. He does everything. You get a feeling he's a little bit lonely. That's why he sort of hangs around the burger place quite a lot. But he's got a huge heart, and he's one of the loveliest characters in Bob's Burgers, isn't he? To get an ink done, I'm pretty happy with my pencil sketch at this stage. So, put some big fat black outlines around the edges. This is always my favourite part of the drawing. It really comes together at this point. Big thick black lines. He's got quite a distinctive frame as Teddy, so he's very easily identifiable and fun to draw actually. Yeah, it's one of the funnest ones I think to draw from Bob's Burgers. There will be a mystery one as well coming up, see if you can figure out who that is on the Bob's Burgers playlist. All his little stubbly bits, his little bits of beard. Easy. On to a bit of colour. It's got kind of like a tan skin. I guess that's from working outside a lot in his manual labour pursuits. I think he's got a grey or blue hat. I think a blue shirt. What colour is this? I think it's a grey hat. I'm going to go with the grey hat in a minute anyway. I put these big blocks of colour on. We'll do the highlights and shadows at the end of the process. But we just need to grab the right colours here. That's it. Grey hat seems to be working. Hi, Louise. Quite nicely there. And the inside of his mouth. Fill all that in with a kind of brownie colour. Kind of reddy brownie. Oh, hi, Tina. Hi, Louise. And then we just need to do his tongue. And then we'll be onto his shirt. And then that's pretty much it for Teddy. Have you seen the episode where Teddy has a guinea pig? It's so cute. Do you know what his name is? It's Francis. It's so cute. Linda calls him Francie Pants. And there he is. Hey, Teddy. See you next time.